Yeah, absolutely. I love that strategy because you never want to appear desperate as a recruiter.
Yeah.
That's like the worst position to be in. And you want to talk your candidate out of the job and let them convince you otherwise. I learned that a long time ago. Always talk your candidate out of the role and let them convince you otherwise. If you stay in that state of mind in your calls, you're awesome. Like it's great. Like for example,
Yeah, that's good.
for example,
Then they're convinced.
yeah, here's a great one. Hey, my client, they're headquartered in Washington, D.C. I know you live in what's like a city like 30 minutes away from DC. I don't know, like Vienna or something, right? So I know you live in Vienna,
Yeah.
but they want you there, 4 days a week. Like I said, you told me that's okay, but like, do you really want to commute every day or 4 days a week with that traffic? Like, I wouldn't want to do it. Like, you're literally going to be stuck in traffic for probably 2 to 4 hours on your round trip excursion to work. Like, is that really what you want to do? You've been working at home for 5 years. Like, do you really want to get up in the morning and fight traffic? Yeah, that's a good point. I don't know if I want that. Okay, well, no, I'm glad we're talking about it now. Like, that's something to consider. So, like, see what I'm saying? Or, you know what, Russ? I am because I've been working at home for 5 years. I feel so isolated and alone. I am yearning for that team environment and that camaraderie that I miss so dearly that commute is nothing for me. Like I listen to podcasts and I listen to audiobooks and it gives me opportunity to kind of work on myself. And like, I'm actually looking forward to it. Brilliant. Okay, great. They just convinced me otherwise. You see, little things
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
I want to share something with you too, Russ. And that is a nugget right there, what you said with the just pulling it out of them, any hesitation, because they may not think about it. They may just look at the dollar sign, but they need to realize the whole package of what they're stepping into. And you have to highlight that for them, especially if you could pick up on stuff like from the remote part to a at an office job. That's something you should pick up on and reiterate and highlight.